Hello learners, Unacademy has come up with Ultra Combat for SSC exams, wherein you can appear for the combat and you can win the prizes and scholarship. So here you can see you have a lot of prizes to win. You have Dell laptops, you have mobile phones and Fitbit and also the Amazon gift vouchers to win. Along with this, you have the scholarships also. So this combat is of four sections: quantitative aptitude, general intelligence, English language and general awareness. The total number of questions are 60 and the timing will be 60 minutes. And this is going to happen on April 24th, 12 p.m. Use the referral code, use the invitation code as Anand Sherikar and you can enroll to this course, right? So here the speciality of this combat is top rankers can win the scholarship up to 100%, and lucky participants will win Amazon gift vouchers worth of 5,000, and all the questions are created by some of the top faculties of Unacademy, and live tests are available in English and Hindi, both the languages. So why Ultra Combat? Here these are the special features I have already explained. So you can enroll to this using the coupon code Anand Sherikar, using the this is actually the invitation code, right? And so the scholarships are like this. The top rankers, the rankers from 1 to 10 will get 100% scholarship, and the ranks from 11 to 100 is going to get the scholarship of 75%, and the ranks from 101 to 500 is going to get the scholarship of 50%, and the rank from 501 to 1000 is going to get the 25% scholarship, and 1001 to 3000 ranks are going to get the scholarship of 20%, right? And you can enroll to this batch free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to enroll to this batch, this combat test, and you have to take the test and you can win the prizes and the scholarship. So please enroll it at the earliest possible and also share with all of your friends. So this is going to happen on 24th of April, 12 p.m. Use the invite code Anand Sherikar to enroll. So invite code is here. You can just note down this properly and you can use this to enroll. Thank you.